Hello friends, today I'm really excited to share with you an amazing lemon chicken recipe that is sure to impress. So let's start it. Now place chicken legs, onion, ginger and a cooking wine in cold water, boil for at least 20 minutes. Now chop garlic, green and red chili, pepper, have some white sesame seeds and a chili powder ready. Heat oil in a pan and add 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, a splash of oyster sauce, and also add 1 teaspoon each of salt and sugar. Now stir everything together until the mixture is well combined and aromatic. Once the chicken is boiled, remove it from the water and tear the meat into pieces. Now place the shredded chicken in a bowl, add sliced lemon, fresh coriander and the prepared sauce. Mix everything together thoroughly with your hands. Your delightful recipe is ready to enjoy. If you enjoyed this recipe, please subscribe to my channel and like this video for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking!